Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for a high-quality music player? Today we're comparing two popular options from iBasso, the DX180 and the DX260. Let's find out which one is right for you. The DX180 costs $529, while the DX260 comes in at $949. That's a big price difference. So, what do you actually get for the extra money? Both players look similar with modern designs and metal bodies. They're about the same size and weight. The DX260 is slightly heavier at 229 grams versus the DX180's 206 grams. Both have 5-inch touchscreens and easy-to-use buttons. Both also have batteries you can replace yourself, which is really handy. Here's where things get interesting though. The DX180 uses 4 DAC chips, while the DX260 packs in 8 DAC chips. More chips generally means better sound quality. The DX260 can push out 1015 milliwatts of power, compared to the DX180's 69 milliwatts. Both run Android and support music streaming apps. This is what really matters, by the way. The DX180 has a slightly warm sound with nice bass. It sounds musical and fun. The DX260 sounds more neutral and transparent with better detail. It has a wider soundstage and picks up tiny details in your music. The DX260 is more revealing and has better separation between instruments. The DX180 lasts about 15 hours, while the DX260 gives you around 9 to 14 hours depending on how you use it. So, which one should you buy? The DX180 offers amazing value for money. It's perfect if you want great sound without spending a fortune. The DX260 is for serious listeners who want the absolute best detail and clarity. You're paying more, but you're getting noticeably better sound quality. For most people, the DX180 is the smarter choice, but if you want the ultimate listening experience and can afford it, the DX260 won't disappoint.